Do you feel nervous talking to strangers in English?
Do you run out of things to say?
Do you just smile and say yes, even when you don't understand?
We have all done that.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say.
Small talk, big confidence. Let's go. Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor channel.
Hello and welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor.
I'm Alex. So happy you were here today.
I'm Emily, and today we are talking about small talk.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation with anyone, anywhere.
At school, at work, at the bus stop, everywhere.
It is one of the most useful English skills ever.
If you are new here, hello! Welcome to the family.
Please subscribe to our channel right now. It is completely free.
And hit the like button. It helps us so much. Okay, let's start. Alex, let me ask you something.
Sure.
What is small talk exactly, in simple words?
Good question. Small talk is light, easy conversation.
It is not a deep conversation, not serious topics.
No talking about politics, no talking about problems.
Just friendly, simple chat to connect with someone.
Think of it like a warm-up before a real conversation.
I love that. A warm-up. Very good, Alex.
Thank you. I have my moments.
So, where do people use small talk?
Everywhere. In the elevator, at the coffee machine,
Meeting someone new at a party.
waiting in line at the shop.
Sitting next to someone on an airplane.
Oh, the airplane one. I have a story about this.
Tell us.
Okay, so last year I was on a long flight, 4 hours.
That is a long time.
The man next to me said, "So, where are you from?"
A classic small talk question.
Yes, but I was very tired. I said, "England," and nothing else.
Oh no, Alex.
I know. He looked sad. I felt terrible.
Small talk is a two-way street, Alex.
Yes, I learned that lesson. You must ask questions back.
Exactly. That is rule number 1 of small talk.
Always ask a question back. Keep the conversation going.
So if someone says, "Where are you from?" you answer, then ask them.
Like, "I'm from England. What about you? Where are you from?"
Perfect. Simple, friendly, natural.
I wish I knew that on the plane. Ugh.
Maybe next time. Okay, let's learn some small talk topics.
Yes, there are 4 great topics for small talk.
Topic 1, the weather.
Weather is the most classic small talk topic in the whole world.
You can say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Or, "It's so cold outside. Can you believe it?"
Or, "I love this sunny weather. It makes me happy."
Weather is safe. Everyone experiences it. No one gets upset about weather.
Usually.
Weather, usually.
Topic 2, the weekend.
Oh yes, people love talking about the weekend.
You can ask, "Did you have a good weekend?"
Or, "Any plans for the weekend?"
Short, easy, very natural. Topic 3, food.
Everyone loves food. This topic never fails.
Have you tried the new cafe near here?
Or, "I made pasta last night. It was amazing."
Food talk always makes people smile.
Always. Topic 4, local news or events.
Like, "Did you see the festival in the park last week?"
Or, "There's a new market opening on Friday. Are you going?"
These topics are light, fun, and easy for everyone.
No stress, no pressure, just friendly chat.
Okay, let's pause for our vocabulary recap.
We have learned some great words and phrases. Let's review them.
Word 1, small talk. Short, friendly conversation.
Word 2, light conversation. Easy topics, nothing serious.
Phrase 3, where are you from? A classic opener.
Phrase 4, did you have a good weekend? Great for Mondays.
Phrase 5, nice weather today. Always works, always safe.
Phrase 6, any plans for the weekend? People love this one.
And the golden rule, ask a question back.
Say all of these out loud right now. Seriously, do it.
Alex is right. Say them out loud. It really helps. Okay, now let's talk about how to keep small talk going.
Yes, starting is one thing, but keeping it going, that is the skill.
There's a great trick. We call it answer and add.
Oh, I love this. Explain it, Emily.
So someone asks you a question, you answer it, then you add something.
More information, a detail, a feeling, anything extra.
For example, someone asks, did you watch anything good recently?
Bad answer, yes. Good answer, yes, I watched a great show last night. It was so funny.
See the difference? The good answer gives the other person something to react to.
They can say, oh really? What show? I love funny shows.
And now you have a real conversation from one simple sentence.
Beautiful. That is the magic of small talk.
I have another story, a little embarrassing.
Oh, good. Tell us.
So I was at a work party years ago.
I was very nervous.
Why nervous?
I didn't know anyone. I was the new person at the job.
Oh, that is so stressful.
Yes, so I walked up to a group of people and I said, so, do you all work here?
Alex, you were at a work party.
I know, of course they worked there.
What did they say?
They laughed, but in a kind way, and then someone said, yes, are you new?
And that started the conversation.
It did. Even a silly question can start small talk.
The lesson is just say something, anything. Don't stay silent.
Silence is more awkward than a silly question.
That's true. Don't be afraid, just open your mouth and talk. Okay, everyone, role play time, my favorite.
Let's show you a real small talk situation. Ready, Emily?
Ready. I will be a stranger at a coffee shop. Alex just sat down next to me.
Let's go. Oh, sorry, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead. Please sit down.
Thanks. Busy in here today, isn't it?
So busy. I think everyone needs coffee on a Monday.
Exactly. I need 2 coffees today. It was a long weekend.
Oh, really? Did you do something fun?
Yeah, I went hiking with some friends, but my legs hurt now.
Worth it, though?
Definitely. The view was incredible. What about you? How was your weekend?
Pretty quiet. I stayed home and watched movies. Very relaxing.
Oh, nice. Anything good?
Yes, I watched a really funny comedy. I laughed the whole time.
I love a good comedy. What was it called?
It was called Game Night. Have you seen it?
No, but now I want to. I'll watch it tonight.
And scene!
See how easy that was?
Alex started with a simple comment, busy in here today.
Then we talked about the weekend, then movies, very natural.
We used the answer and add trick the whole time.
Small talk is like a game of tennis. You hit the ball, they hit it back.
Keep the ball in the air, keep the conversation going.
And never just say yes or no. Always add something. Okay, bonus tip time. This one is really good.
Alex's tips are always practical. Listen up.
My tip is this. Practice small talk with your mirror.
The mirror?
Yes, stand in front of your mirror. Pretend someone is there.
And talk to them?
Yes, ask the mirror, how was your weekend? Then answer yourself.
That sounds funny, but it actually works.
It does. You practice the words, you practice your face, your expressions.
Small talk is also about your smile, your body language.
The mirror helps you see yourself. You look more confident every time.
I love this tip. Simple, free, you can do it every day.
Try it tonight. Seriously, you will be surprised.
Okay, everyone, we are at the end of today's episode.
Already? That was so fast.
Time flies when you are learning. Let's do a quick summary.
Today we learned what small talk is. Light, friendly conversation.
We learned the best topics: weather, weekend, food, local events.
We learned the golden rule. Always ask a question back.
And we learned the answer and add trick. Give more than just yes.
Plus, my embarrassing work party story.
We will never forget that one. Okay, our question for you.
Yes, we want you to write in the comments below.
Tell us, what is a topic you like to talk about with new people?
Maybe you love talking about food or movies or sports. Tell us.
Write it in the comments. We read every single one.
And practice your small talk with us in the comments. We will reply.
If this episode helped you, please give it a big thumbs up.
And share it with one friend who's learning English.
Subscribe if you haven't already. New episodes every week.
We will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep talking, keep learning. You've got this.